Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to make this Mardi Gras mask. It's soft and flexible and comfortable to wear. I'm using a size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn and a size 5 ml hook for this project. To begin, tie a slip knot. Chain 2. These are for the bridge of the nose. Also the center part of the mask. Next, we'll work on the lower half of the eye opening. Chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, chain 8 for the top part of the eye opening. 1. Let's mark this chain as it is an important spot for the next round. Continue with number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, connect the middle section with single crochet into these 2 chains. By the way, the number of chains we use is what determines the size of the mask. You adjust the stitches 2 at a time. Next, repeat the same pattern for the other side. Chain 2 for the bridge. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mark the 8th chain. 8. Continue with 12 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, connect the bridge area with single crochet into these 2 chains. Instead of slip stitch to close the round, skip the step and move on to round 2. Chain 1. Single crochet into the first stitch from the previous round. Look, it's a smooth transition without the slip stitch. Do another single crochet. These 2 stitches are for the bridge of the nose. Next, do single crochet in each of the next 11 chains. Here we are 1 chain away from the marked chain. Do a half double crochet. Next, do a half double crochet into the marked chain. chain 2, and another half double crochet into the same chain. Next, do a half double crochet in the following chain. We do a gradual increase to accommodate the curve of the pattern. Next, we'll do single crochet in each of the next 6 chains. There are 4 stitches across the bridge of the nose. Skip the first stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch. The skipping of 1 stitch tilts the shape of the eye opening upwards. Now, repeat the same stitch sequence in reverse order. Do a single crochet in the next stitch. Skip the corner stitch. Single crochet in the next chain. We decrease the stitches from 4 to 2 at the top part of the bridge. Continue single crochet in each of the next 5 chains. Do a half double crochet before the corner chain. Now, do 1 half double crochet. Chain 2 and 1 half double crochet in the same chain. Do a half double crochet following the corner chain. The stitch increase resulted in this nice pointed shape at the corner. Continue with single crochet in each of the next 11 chains. Do single crochet in the next 2 stitches across. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join with the beginning stitch. I like to put the slip knot at the back. Moving on to round 3, switching to a new color. Tie a slip knot. Single crochet into the center stitch. By the way, this is called a standing single crochet. It makes starting a new color cleaner and easier. Now do 8 more single crochets. Next, we'll do a stitch increase at the lower corner to accommodate the curve of the pattern. out 10 stitches from the center and mark it, which I did earlier. Now, do a single crochet into the stitch. Chain 1. Do another single crochet into the same stitch. Do 4 more single crochets. When you reach the stitch before the corner, do 1 half double crochet. Now, do a half double crochet in the corner chain space. Chain 2. Another half double crochet into the same chain space. Do a half double crochet in the next stitch. As you can see, we are repeating the same pattern as round 2. Continue with the single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. The right side is done. Now, repeat the same pattern in reverse order. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join with the beginning stitch. Round 3 is done. Moving on to round 4, we are switching to a new color. Start from the middle stitch. Do single crochet in the first 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. We are going to make a wavy pattern around the border. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Do the same pattern 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, chain 3 again. 1 stitch before the corner chain space, do a half double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet into the next chain space. Followed by a triple crochet into the same chain space. Next, we'll do a 4 chain picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join with a single crochet at the first chain of the chain 4. Triple crochet in the same chain space. and a double crochet in the same chain space. Chain 1. Do a half double crochet in the next stitch. We have a tall pointed corner. Next, chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Do a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. One, 2. Now, do 3 single crochets across. 1, 2, 3. The right side is done. Repeat the same pattern from the right side in reverse order. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join with the beginning stitch. Weave in the loose ends. Next, we'll make the ties. Loop 2 30 chain strings or other measurement of your desired lengths. Attach the string on the corner spot here. Tie the other end at the bottom corner. Wear it by putting the loops behind your ears. These are other colors I made. Thank you for watching. I invite you to check out my other videos on this channel. Bye for now.